son, I know I wasn't there. Missed your games, missed your prayers, chasing things that didn't matter. Left you standing in the scatter. Now I see the man you become, and I'm so proud of who you are. But I carry all the damage from the nights I wasn't near. My son, I'm sorry for all the times I let you down. My sorry, I was lost, but now I'm found. I can't rewind the years we lost, but I can love you from this day. My sorry, please don't walk away. I was broken, I was young, thought providing was enough. Didn't know you needed me more than money, more than things. If I could go back, I would hold you tighter, be there more, teach you how to be a man by showing you what love is for. My son, I'm sorry for all the times I let you down. My sorry, let me make it up somehow. I can't change the past, my boy, but my future starts with you. My son, I'm sorry.